Woodpeckers, nature's percussive engineers. They drum on trees, a language of territory and courtship. Their skulls, marvels of natural engineering, absorb the shock of relentless pecking. Long, barbed tongues extend to extract hidden insects. Stiff tail feathers prop them against tree trunks, providing stability. Specialized toes grip bark, allowing vertical acrobatics. They listen for insects, tapping to locate meals. They excavate nesting cavities, homes for themselves and future tenants. Their diet, diverse, includes insects, nuts, sap, and berries. From forests to deserts, they thrive. Their pecking rate, astonishingly fast, a blur of motion. They are vital to forest ecosystems, controlling insects,